Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install the Carbridge on your iOS or Android device. Now many of my subscribers have been requesting for this and it's super easy to do, so let me show you how to actually get it. I've already installed the app, so there it is right there. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my home screen, and we're going to need to actually configure our device for the download. It's not really complicated or anything, but let me show you how to do it. So we're going to go ahead and open up settings right here, and once you're in settings, go ahead and click on general, click on background app refresh, and make sure it's set to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once you have that checked off, we can click back, and we're going to click under battery right here, and you will notice this low power mode setting. Make sure this is actually set to disabled. And then we can go ahead and proceed with the installation. So I'm going to open up my web browser now. I'm going to be using Safari, and yep, we're on Google. Let's go ahead and search for this website right here. So it's going to be called Inject App. Just type in Inject App and then click search, and then you will see the site right here. Just go ahead and click on it. It's going to take a few seconds to load up, and now we are on the official website. Now once you're on the site, hit the search bar, type in Carbridge, and it's going to go ahead and show you a few different apps on the website. The one that we're going to be looking for is going to be at the very top, as long as you typed it in correctly. So go ahead and click on it. It's going to show you what device you're on. So I am on an iPhone. That's what version I'm on. Go ahead and click Start Injection, and it's going to start downloading the Carbridge. Simple as that, guys. It's not really complicated or anything. Once it's done with the full download, you will see the app on your home screen, and I've already installed it, so I'm not going to re-download it. I'm going to go ahead and just close out now. But once you're done with the full download, the app will appear on your home screen, and like I said, it is completely free and you can start using Carbridge immediately. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, and until next time, see ya.